Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 152 of Surat Al-An'am and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولا تقربوا مال اليتيم إلا بالتي هي أحسن ومخرج of O. Circle in your lips with a top on your jaws. The sound is short. La 2 counts long. Yes. Taq. That is sharp. There is no flow of sound. And for fatha open jaws, attach it qaf. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala. This qalqala should be very nicely done. Taq. And qaf is heavy. Taq. Ra. Ra is heavy. And make sure you touch the makhraj of ra. Don't make it silent. Ra. 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 Boo. For Dhamma circular, make it 2 counts long. Ma. 2 counts long. Lal. For fatha open jaws, attach it lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasut. Yeah is soft for fatha open jaws. T, that is sharp, make it 2 counts long. Mi, for kasra give E sound. Il, for kasra give E sound. And don't sharp this hamza too much. It should be in a medium, the sound should be medium. Il, hamza, give tawasut on lam. La, 2 counts long. Bil, for kasra give E sound, attach with ta, attach with lam. Now we'll get sip of the wasut. Bil, la, for fatha upon just the sound is short. Ti, ta is very sharp, make it 2 counts long. Sharp means there is no flow of breath or sound. He, for kasra give E sound. Yeah, for fatha upon just the sound is short. For fatha upon just attach with ha will get sip of rakhawa and hums and it is light. Sa, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Nu, for dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. Had, ha, from your throat with hums for fatha upon jaws attached with ta. Ta will cut off the sound abruptly. Hat, ta, and then it is 2 counts long. Yeah, is light for fatha upon jaws attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is tabaud. Lu, for Dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Gha, ghain is munfatiha letter. So this is isti'ala. This has isti'la. It is heavy, but it has sifa of infitah too. Gha, gha. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Should, for Dhamma circle lips attach with dal. As you will touch dal, your lips should be in a straight position, and dal will cut off the sound. The makhraj of dal will cut off the sound. Should the for fatha upon jaws, and then attach with ha. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has bring the rakhawa on ha. The أشد ومخرج of circling your lips فتحة open your jaws, the sound is short. أو hamza is sharp, and this is waw lean. So when you're attaching fatha with waw, you're making the sound. You're making the sound over here very soft. Ow, foo, for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. It is not 2 counts long. It is attached with coming up letter, and that is lam. Lam will get sip of the wasut. Full, for Dhamma circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sip of the wasut. Kay. This is yailin, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with ya. And kaf is among light letters. Kay. La. For fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Well. For fatha upon your jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sip of the wasut. Ni, 2 counts long. Za, 2 counts long. Na, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Bil, with kasra attached with lam, lam will get sip of the wasut. Bil, qis, qaf is heavy. Make qaf nicely heavy. Lift your tongue up and don't circle your lips. For kasra, give e sound attached with sin. Sin will get sip of rakhawa. It has safir and it is light. Qis, qi. Bilqis, and then ta will be Ta is the most heaviest letter, and it is getting qalqala too because you are giving sukoon over here because of the waqf. Because of this waqf, we are giving the sukoon here, and this sukoon has bring in qalqala. So you are giving qalqala on ta. Bilqi, bilqist. La, two counts long. Nu for the circle lips. Kel for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sip of the wasut. Li for kasra give e sound. Fu for the circle lips. The sound is short. Naf for fatha open jaws attached with fa. Fa will get sip of rakhawa and hams. Sen sifa is the wasut and hukmuhu idhar. There is idhar going on. Sen il for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sip of the wasut. La two counts long. Wus for the circle ellipse attached with sin. Sin will get sifa prachawa. It has safir and it is light. Ain from your throat nicely for fatha open jaws. Ha two counts long. Wus ha wa makhraj of waw. Circling your lips for fatha open jaws. E for kasra give e sound. The two counts long. Ul off is heavy for the circle ellipse attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Ul Tum for the circle ellipse. As you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position, and we will get sip of the also too. Tum fa fa. Give hams in fa and then attach with the ain. Ain will get sip off. Tawassut and ain should be from your throat nicely. Fa di for kasra give e sound. Lu for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Wa makhraj of waw is circling your lips. Fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Law, this is waw lean. When you're attaching fatha with waw, you're making it soft. Law ka two counts long. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. The gives up the bind zal. When you're engaging the right makhraj of dal, it is bringing in that the ba sound. The qaf is heavy for the circle lips attached with ra. Ra will be heavy too because there is the ma before it. And ra will get sip of tawassut and ra will be heavy. Okay. Ba two counts long. Qurba make off more heavy. Qurba wa makhraj of o. Circling your lips for fatah. Open your jaws. B for kasra give e sound. Ah ain from your throat for fatah. Open jaws. Attach it. Ha will get sipa off. Rakhawa. Ah dil for kasra give e sound and attach with lafz jalala. Lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before it. Dilla la and lafz jalala is always long, so make it two counts long. Lahi for kasra give e sound. Ow hamza is sharp, but as you will touch fatha with waw, you are making it soft because this is waw lean. Waw lean and ya lean. What are these? Whenever the ya is with sukoon or waw is with sukoon and there is fatha before it, then this is called waw lean and this is called ya lean. So here we can see waw lean here. Ow, fu for the circle lips and make it two counts long. The two counts long with zabzaba. Li for kasra give e sound. Kum for the circle lips attached with me. We will get sip of the wasut. Was makhraj of waw circling lips attached with sod. As you will touch sod, you're making it heavy. You're lifting your tongue up nicely, and it is harfi itbaq too. So paste your tongue up on the palate, and as you will be attaching with waw, sod is heavy. As it will be with fatha, it will be heavy. So both ways it should be nicely heavy. وصاكم إخفاء شفوي. Keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Kumbi. Focus give E sound. He. Mat sila sughra. La. For fatha open jaws. Al. Ain from your throat. For fatha open jaws attach it. Lam. Lam will get sip of the wasut. La. For fatha open jaws. Kum. For the circle lips attach it. Me. We will get sip of the wasut. Ta. Ta is sharp. It is cutting off the sound. Ta. The. Ka. Ka. تذكرون. Because of this work, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukun. ولا تقربوا مال اليتيم إلا بالتي هي أحسن حتى يبلغ أشده وأوفوا الكيل والميزان بالقسط لا نكلف نفسا إلا وسعها وإذا قلتم فاعدلوا ولو كان ذا قربى وبعهد الله أوفوا ذلكم وصاكم به لعلكم تذكرون. ومخرج of واو is circling your lips, fatha upon jaws, and hamza is sharp, fatha upon your jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of kunna, and this kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. And the fatha is short. Na, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ha, 2 counts long. The, 2 counts long. Sli, slad is heavy. For kasra, give e sound. Ra, ra is heavy. Make it 2 counts long. Li, make la heavy. Make it 2 counts long. Mus, for the ma circle is attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rukhawa. It has safir and it is light. Ta, very sharp sound. Qi, make it 2 counts long. Ma, this is ikhfa and this ikhfa. The other sound of the other name of ikhfa is gunna. So the most important part of ikhfa is you keeping the sound in your nose, and you are going towards the makhraj of fa, and then yes, this is all about ikhfa. So fa is among light letters, so you're keeping your tongue straight. Ma fatta, give hams in fa, attach with ta, ta will get sifa of shidda. Shidda means there is no flow of sound, the makhraj will cut off the sound. Fatta, ta, ta, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. B, for kasra, give e sound. Ru. Because of this verb, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukun. ومخرج of واو circling your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. La, 2 counts long. Ta, ta, ta is sharp. For fatha, open jaws, attach with ta. The sound will cut off abruptly. Ta, ta, ta. For fatha, open jaws. B, for kasra, give e sound. Rus, ain from your throat. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with sin. Sin will get a sipa of rakhawa. It is light and it has safir. Rusu, for dhamma, circle your lips. Bu, for dhamma, circle your lips, the sound is short. La, for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Fa, give hams in fa, for fatha upon jaws. Ta, very sharp sound. The makhraj will cut off the sound. Fa, ta, fa, give fa hams, and that with ra will be heavy, and ra will get rakhaw, tawassut, sorry, tawassut. Far, ra, for fatha upon jaws. Qaf is heavy, for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Fatafarraqa, B, for kasra, give e sound. Kun, for dhamma, circle ellipse, attach with meme, you will get sipa of tawassut. Ain, from your throat. And this is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so you are going towards the makhraj of sin. Like your mouth should be ready to say letter sin, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. As, for fatha upon jaws. B, 2 counts long. Li, For kasra, give E sound, attach it. Ha will get sipah. For rakhawa. The 2 counts long. Li. For kasra, give E sound. Kum. For dhamma, circle ellipse, attach it. Mim will get sipah of the wasut. Was for wow, makhraj of wow is circling your lips, attached with sod, and sod will be heavy when it will be attached with wow and when it will get fatha. Both ways it should be heavy. You should not say when you are attaching with wow, you are making it seem and then you are making it heavy. No, both ways it should be nicely heavy. Was, was, 2 counts long. Kum, ikhfa shafawi, you're keeping the sound in your nose. B, focus ragib E sound. He, matsila sughra. La, for fatha open jaws. Al, ain from your throat, for fatha open jaws, attach it. Lam, you get sip up the wasut. La, for fatha open jaws. Kum, for the circle ellipse, attach it. Mim, you will get sip off the wasut. Ta is sharp. It is attached with the makhraj will cut off the sound. There will be the sound will be cut off nicely. Ta for fatha upon jaws. Poon. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mid arid sukoon. وأن هذا صراطي مستقيما فاتبعوه ولا تتبعوا السبل فتفرق بكم عن سبيله ذلكم وصاكم به لعلكم تتقون سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته